Okay, so the cavity wax I'm going to be using is obviously the Bilt Hamber dynax S-50. I'm using this because, you know, Bilt Hamber products are absolutely fantastic, great value for money, and they just work superbly. I've used a few of their products now, and they're just fantastic. I really trust them. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using on my Alfa Romeo today, to cavity wax absolutely everything. Before I do that though, I just want to do a quick little test on it. This has been done many times on YouTube, and I think it's a great idea. I'm just going to spray it into this bottle first of all, obviously because I just want to test the coverage on it, see how good it is. Obviously it's not entirely going to be down to the product, but more so the extension lance. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but yeah, this was supplied with the wax, so I'm assuming, you know, it's going to be just as good as the product itself, but we shall see. Okay, so first of all, take this one off. It doesn't say you need to warm this product up either. It says you can use it straight out of the can as it comes. So let's give it a quick test on the bench. Okay, that's misting up very well. One thing I have noticed is this stuff is dark in colour compared to other cavity waxes. Okay, so what I'm looking for with this stuff is, as I've already said, I want great coverage. I want it to mist up, but more importantly, I don't want it to run inside the bottle. I don't want it to collect at the bottom. I want it to cling to the bottle. That's what I'm looking for. So without further ado, let's crack on with it. Now, you know, as you can see, this is a very big can as well. Just to give you an idea, this is a standard size aerosol. The size is significant. A normal size one is about 400ml. This one is 750ml. So yeah, I'll just do this little test now, try my best to capture it on camera. Straight to the bottom of the bottle. 3, 2, 1. Wow. That's brilliant. I wasn't expecting the coverage to be that good. Is it running? Well, it's not collecting in the bottom. It is moving, it is running a little bit. But, you know, coverage, as you can see, absolutely superb. You can't see through that bottle at all. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using on the Alfa Romeo GTV. So without further ado, let's crack on with it. No time to lose. So there you go guys, that's the cavity waxing done. Well, it's not all the cavity waxing done, that is just a few of the obvious things, like a few chassis legs and the sills and things like that. I'm going to get on with the rest of it on my own, but you get the idea. What do I think of this dynax 50 by Bilt Hamber? Well, the first thing that is very obvious is it is quite runny, but strangely enough it does cling very, very well. This is the bottle that we did earlier. As you can see, that was perfectly clear before. It does cling very well. It's a strange one really. It is quite messy. I would like it to be a bit thicker, to be honest, like a lot of the more traditional ones, but yeah, it's done a good job. I will do it again in the future. Just a quick little snippet for you. This is the stuff after it had been on for about half an hour, stuff like something like that. This is inside the sill towards the front fender, but yeah, as you can see, it is clinging very well. You can see where I've wiped it here with my finger, but yeah, it's okay. As I say, still lots left to do, but I will get on with that in my own time. You get the idea. So thank you very much anyway for tuning in. If you found this video useful, then please do give me a like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Okay, cheers, bye bye.